As some of you may know, the end goal for all of my hand tools has been to make a hand tool wall behind my workbench. And this week I'm joined with a good buddy of mine, Matt Lane. He's got a YouTube woodworking channel, makes a lot of really cool stuff, so be sure to check it out. I'll post a link to his channel down below. But he's already had a tool wall for about
a year now, and it's pretty much the best thing I've built in my shop yet. Like the organization and everything having its place, and like especially whenever you get done and stuff's just scattered everywhere, you know where to put it back. Like it makes you sort of want to put everything back up when you turn around and you see empty spots on the wall.
Convenience, first order of retrieval, and yeah, I've always wanted to make one, so I'm about to make one. We are going to be using birch plywood for the canvas, and then all of the trim and holders and all the little details is all going to be made out of red oak. A full 4 foot by 8 foot sheet of plywood is just a little bit too long for the space that I have available, so we're going to cut about 1 foot off the 8 foot length. Because he is a professional sprayer, he sprays automobiles for a living, we thought it would be a lot easier to assemble it, mask it off, and spray it in place, especially considering there's 2 of us working here. So that's the route we went. This is already finished, ready to go. All of the holders are going to be made out of red oak, and we thought it would be a better idea, instead of making a bunch of small holders for each one of the planes, to just make a simple plain shelf along the bottom of the entire tool wall, and that way it doesn't matter where you set the planes, just set all the planes on the shelf. All of the other little tools are going to have individualized holders, so I may not go into crazy detail in this video, but I will show up close and all the different specifics for each one of the holders in the website article. So we didn't get 100% done with the tool wall, but it's one of those projects that's going to continually evolve anyway. I got the stuff up there that I use the most. I still have some specialty items that I'll make some small holders for and such, but it's one of those projects that it is really nice to have someone else helping you out with it, someone else with a different perspective. He's already had one of these for a little while now.
Yeah, about a year or so now, and it's really handy because everything has a place and you know where it's at whenever it's time to use it.
Yeah, so if you're very little OCD about putting stuff back and everything having its own nice little place, it's going to be crazy convenient for you. I've already absolutely fell in love with this thing in the little bit of time that we've been interacting with it. So I'm really looking forward to filling it up and putting the rest of my commonly used items on it. But anyway, big thanks to Matt Lane for helping me out this week. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll post a link to it down below. He makes a lot of really cool woodworking projects, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and have a great day.
See you later, guys.